Can you give us more of an example of a recent business client that you've helped, fund their buy-sell agreement with?
Sure. In this case, just we just completed this case a couple of months ago. Business, very successful company, worth privately held, worth about 600 million, four owners. The oldest one was 42, the other three in their or late 30s, and they had a buy sell agreement in place. It just had never been funded, and quite frankly, that's a very common scenario. Nothing unique about that, unfortunately. So they had changed law firms, and the law firm that they had moved to has worked with us in the past and asked us to come in and take a look at things. And quite frankly, one of the most common solutions to a buy sell to fund it is to buy term insurance. And so, you're going to buy the length of term based on how long you feel the business owners are going to be involved and cover that liability, et cetera, et cetera. But, at the end of the term, the money's gone, you had the coverage and there's really not much return for the investment you and the company have made. What we like to do is talk about maybe a permanent solution, maybe get a really well-designed IUL structure in there and then actually use financing to fund it through the company for the buy sell. And then ultimately what can happen, like with these guys, they plan on being out of this business in the next 12 to 15 years. So then at that point in time, they can roll the policies out to the partners. They can each have their policy, and there's proper ways of doing that. And then they can actually use that for either their own estate planning at that point in time, or if they're young enough, they can use it for supplemental retirement income. And so that's just the way we kind of try to approach a buy sell scenario, try to provide better options than just what you see common.